The B1412-96 trouble code may be stored in your Land Rover or Jaguar vehicle as in thousands of other cars. It's the code that says there are issues with the Quiescent Relay Box. This is the set of tools that monitors possible power drains when your engine is off and turns off electrical circuits one by one to eliminate the drain, and this module is faulty. The good thing is that you will not see any warning lights because of this code, and also it doesn't affect your driving in any way. You will only see the code when scanning your vehicle with a good high-end scanner, and that's all. Also, Land Rover and Jaguar have no idea what causes this trouble code to pop up, and they issued bulletins number SSM 72302 and SSM 72286 to just say that mechanics and dealerships should ignore this code and do nothing to fix it. Unfortunately, there has never been an update, and these bulletins are still marked under investigation. So the good news, this code doesn't mean anything. It's just a glitch with the Quiescent Relay Box that doesn't require any repairs and doesn't affect your car.